Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapatid? Merong mensahe si Universe para sa inyo 3 years from now. Alamin natin anong dapat mong malaman. Importante ito para sa inyo mga kapatid. I do hope everybody are doing well. Kamusta kayong lahat dito? Shout out sa lahat ng mga mahal kong kapatid na star viewers, mga collective, and mga subscribers, mga cross-watchers. Please do subscribe. And please hit the tap the bell para po makatanggap kayo ng mga updated video, no? Yung mga latest video ko dito sa The Star Talking Tarot YouTube channel. Welcome back and thank you po sa inyong lahat dito, sa mga supporters. So, alamin natin kung anong dapat mong malaman, importanteng mensahe sa inyo. Spirit guides, what is this all about for 3 years from now? Importante. What is this all about sa ating mga collective? Whoever watched this reading, anong dapat malaman sa ating mga collective 3 years from now? What they need to know? Importante. There will be a physical transformation. Romance. 3 years from now, you need to know about your romance. Physical transformation. Okay. Confession. This could be related sa romance, but wag tayong expect baka mali pa. Okay. Realization. 3 years from now, there will be romance or importanteng mensahe sa inyo about your romance, confession, realization, and physical transformation. So, alamin natin about first things first, kunin natin yung energy ni romance. Alright. Spirit guides, anong dapat malaman about the romance? About the romance. Okay. Importanteng mensahe tungkol sa romance, relationship. 3 years from now, sa ating mga collective, important message. What is this romance? Ito, lalabas na ito. Okay. Knight of Wands. There will be someone is coming. Your knight. This person is going to protect you. Charming, attractive. Ma-attract ka sa taon ito. 3 years from now. Kung ikaw itong single, ready to mingle, it might take time, pero darating ang knight in shining armor mo. 3 years from now, itong hinihiling mo, pinapangarap mo, darating siya secretly. A secret admirer, this could be related sa confession. Magko-confess ang taong ito. At this moment, you might not know, yung iba dito, siguro alam mo na kung sino itong taong ito. Maybe it takes time for this person to confess, yung iba dito. Yes, darating siya. Siguro ang taong ito mahilig magmotorsiklo, but this person's coming. 3 years from now, if you are, I don't know if you know this person, alamin natin mamaya yung initials niya para magkaroon kayo ng signs na this is the person that you're waiting for. It could be. Baka hinintay mo itong taong ito, but it takes time. Kung hinihiling mo, in-admire mo itong taong ito, waiting for this person, or if you're single, it takes time. 3 years from now, darating ang taong ito, magko-confess, a new person, a new lover, or it could be an ex na darating or babalik. 3 years from now, this person is coming. A new admirer, new love, yung iba dito, new confession, or magko-confess ang taong ito. Ano pa? What about romance more? What about this person? Who is this person? Spirit guide angels? You know what? Let's get an initials. 3 years from now, Spirit guide angels. Wow. It takes time talaga, kung hinihiling mo ito, sabihin natin na nasaktan ka na, gusto mo talagang maging masaya na, magkaroon ka na ng clarity, or whoever you manifest, or whatever you manifest, it takes time. Dream come true 3 years from now when it comes to your romance. Finally, it will be stable. This person will will bring happiness for you. At this moment, sekreto na muna. Alright? Yeah, kasi pag nagmamadali tayo sa relationship, we are meeting a wrong person. So, at this moment, just heal and let the universe lead your soulmate towards you at the right time. If you need to heal, it's okay to stay single. Because when you are ready, when the time is right, And then that will, the universe will send you the right person. Huwag lang tayo magmamadali because this person is rushing towards you, coming 3 years from now. Okay? Important message for your romance. Huwag tayong hopeless romantic, ano? Every people in this world have our own journey at meron tayong kaparehas, kapartner. Kaya nga yung iba napunta sa maling tao kasi siguro atat, nagmamadali, or I don't know, there's something lesson to learn. But then again, if you ask, no, kung ito hinihiling mo or isa sa mga hinihiling mo, ito ay darating 3 years from now. A new person, a new lover, stable person. Alright? When it comes to romance. Spirit ninyo, sino tong tawag ito? Initials? Romance, letter T, U. Okay. To you. Okay. To you. To you. May pagka-Chinese, Asian, ang taong ito, yung iba. This person is coming. Maybe magkikita kayo sa somewhere in Asia, Japan, Korea, China, Taiwan, Indonesia. I don't know. Somewhere, it could be somewhere in Asia, no? And this person is coming to you. You to you. Ano pa? Initials, Spirit Angels, sa taong ito. We have E, N, and T. It could be enterprising, a company. Maybe this person very professional. So that's the sign that this person is coming. Magugulat ka, mabibigla ka sa pagbalik niya o sa pagdating niya, or magugulat ka when you meet this person. It will be unexpected 3 years from now when you meet this person. It's rushing. Madali ito, mabilis. A news, a message from this person. It could be a message, no? Mag-message sa inyo ang taong ito. Baka gagamit ito ng fake account to message you na darating siya. Or makipagkita sa inyo. Or closure, confession. Alright? So ano pa? Move on na tayo. What about this confession? Who is this person na about this confession? What is this about confession 3 years from now? What is this confession about 3 years from now? Confession. Alright, it could be about money. Nalulungkot ang taong ito. Siguro may problema siya about money. Or siguro baka may negosyo, ano? Yeah. Or baka mag-confess ang taong ito about related sa kanyang finances sa bahay. 3 years from now, guys, something about like, hold on tight. Maybe you need to do a tight budget, lalong-lalo na kung gusto mong gumawa ng bahay or magpapagawa ng bahay. Siguro yung iba dito, I don't know, somehow ay magkaroon ng, makukulangan sa budget. Okay, as an advice for you, 3 years from now, dapat mo itong malaman, no? Kung ikaw itong gusto mo may malaking bahay, may sariling bahay, or nagpapagawa ng bahay, you need to be in a budget. Budgetin po ninyo. Kahit nasabihin natin na you have plenty of money, you don't know what's gonna happen in the future. Lalong-lalo na 3 years from now, baka biglang magkakagipitan. Kailangan talaga guys na it's better na on a budget, kunti-kunti lang mo nang ginagastos, or kailangan talaga budgeted ka, mas maganda yung may sobra. Sumusobra yung pera mo. Kasi kung tama lang yung pera mo, talagang kukulangin ka, kakapusin ka. Alright? Or yung iba dito sa inyo, baka may bigla magko-confess sa inyo na, alright, okay. I don't know, something of confession na baka ibibenta yung bahay sa inyo. Baka mag-offer ang taong ito na, Page of Wands. Baka lalapit ang taong ito sa inyo. Ibibenta siguro yung ari-arian, farm, hayop, negosyo. This person is going to confess you about their finances. Na may problema siya financially. 3 years from now. Or in the future, no? 3 years from now, this could be you. Baka no choice ka, yung iba dito. Baka biglang mag-no choice ka dahil ibibenta mo na lang yung ibang ari-arian. Dahil, I don't know, bills. Or baka merong tumasunugan, wag naman sana. Alright? As a warning para sa inyo dito, mag-ingat-ingat pa tayo para hindi masunugan yung bahay natin. Make sure na walang mga kandilang nakasindi, no? or kung ano pa mga kuryente, watch out and kausapin yung mga anak ninyo, kung may mga anak kayo or mga kasamahan nyo sa bahay, make sure na nakatanggal yung mga dapat nakatanggal. Yung mga hindi ginagamit mga gadgets, wag naman laging naka-charge para iwas na masunog yung bahay. Alright? That's the energy na kukuha ko dito yung iba. And yung iba naman, like again, sabi ko kanina, magko-confess ang taong ito, hihingi ng tulong sa iyo, magbebenta ng mga gamit, ari-arian. Meron naman dito sa inyo, this could be related sa negosyo, i-confess niya siguro na kailangan mag-budget muna. Okay. Nalapit kasi ang taong ito eh. Okay. Meron naman dito, a confession about, maybe it could be of feelings. Yeah, maybe this person is going to confess you their feelings at admiration. Ina-admire ka niya. Dahil, meron siguro ito, related siguro ito sa physical transformation. The feelings about this person. Baka mag-offer sa iyo itong taong ito ng tulong or financially. Meron itong magko-confess, hihingi ng tulong, Meron naman ito mag-offer na tulungan ka financially. Baka makatulong ang taong ito, itong darating sa inyo 3 years from now, a person na makakatulong sa iyo financially and help you, I don't know, something about like a new person or your person right now, your current person, baka this person can be able to afford you, no? I don't know, magpalaki ng suso, magpalaki ng puwet, paganda ng, I don't know, something sa mukha. Any transformation, your person is going to help you or be able to help you financially para sa transformation, pagpapaganda, beauty enhancement yung iba dito. Yung iba naman dito, confession dahil sabihin natin na okay ka financially or okay kayo financially and then 3 years from now, like again, on a budget, magko-confess itong taong ito. It could be your partner, a family member, or yung taong sumusuporta sa pamilya. This person is going to offer you na budget muna. Okay? Dahil maraming paggagastusan. So, like again, guys, dapat talaga na makapag-ipon-ipon or may naipon tayo kasi hindi natin alam kung ano mangyayari in the future. That will be your advice for you here. Realization. What about this realization? What is this realization about? Realization, Spirit Angels. Alright. Realization about the tower. Changes. What is this, the tower? Let's find out more. Changes. Tower. Okay. Sudden changes. Bakit na-realize? Ano itong na-realize? Realization. Ano pa itong realization? The tower. And cups. Okay. Maybe this person is going to confess you their feelings, no? Meron ditong feelings na confession. Yeah. Baka this person 3 years from now, i-confess niya yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Kasi unexpected yung iba dito. Unexpected feeling. Yeah, maybe this person never tell you their feelings. This could be from the past, yung iba dito. But this person will get this realization to make a move. Dahil nalulungkot siya dahil hindi niya masabi-sabi itong nararamdaman niya sa iyo. But this person is coming back, yung iba dito. This person, new person, and an ex or past person, magbabalik ito or darating ito 3 years from now because they're going to confess their feelings, their love. Merong realization dito na ikaw itong soulmate niya. Nalulungkot siya dahil hindi niya masabi-sabi ito. Yung iba dito sa inyo. If this is about the past person. What about this physical transformation? What is this about physical transformation? 3 years from now, Spirit advice about physical transformation. Okay. Page of Cups. A physical transformation. Okay. Okay, physical transformation, an advice for you here, mga kapatid. Dapat talaga wag tayo magsayang, no? Magsayang ng pera para sa ating pagpaganda, like again, budget, very specific here, 3 years from now, it's something changes. May bahay siguro na I don't know, chaos. Like again guys, prepare ourselves no matter what. Kahit sabihin natin may pera ka naman ngayon, hindi natin alam kung ano magiging kinabukasan natin. Kailangan talaga mag-ipon na mag-ipon. Okay? Yeah. And wag natin ubusin ang pera natin or kinikita natin sa pagpapaganda, pagpapagwapo, mga damit. I'm not judging you, but this is a message that meant to find you 3 years from now. Kasi marami ditong nasasayang eh. At the end of the day, maubusan ka pala ng pera. Mawawala din pala itong lahat. A realization, siguro ikaw ditong ma-realize mo na bakit ang hilig-hilig ko sa mga mamahaling bagay or gamit. I like wasting my money. Huli na. Baka 3 years from now, doon mo na ma-realize ang pagkakamali mo. Nasobrahan ka sa paggastos, or hindi mo nasabi yung nararamdaman mo. This could be you, yung iba dito. Late realization, yung iba. Okay, so it's good to be truth. I mean, you know what? It's part of our soul journey din, ano? Yeah. Kung pagka nagkakamali tayo, the universe want us to have this realization. So, whatever mistake na nagawa natin, in the future, make it correct. Para hindi babalik-balik ito. Parang cycle lang. Umiikot-ikot lang. Do not let this to happen again. Especially if this is about the past person. Na hindi ka naging fair, nag-away kayo, nagbago ka, nagbago siya. If this happen again, in the future, magkita kayo, mag-usap kayo, kausapin ka ng taong ito, be truthful, be real. Para hindi ulit ito babalik, no? Mangyari ulit. Good karma ang darating, and forgiveness, happy ending, happy family. Yeah, it's time to break the silence. Meron kasi ditong nananahimik lang. It's time to break this silence, or 3 years from now, there will be breakthrough. Baka ang taong ito, vice versa, this person is not being truthful. 3 years from now, there will be breakthrough. Changes, pagbabago, 3 years from now. Sa romance, realization, this person, confession, and finances. Alright? So, hanggang dito na mga kapatid. I do hope nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito. And I love you guys. Please leave your comment below what do you think about this reading. And I'll see you guys in the next reading. Thank you!